Hi.
Hello.
I'm here with
Kanja.
Kanja. Oh, you're looking good.
Thank you. You too.
Are you dating?
Yes, I'm dating. Yeah.
Aya, nataka umpigie umwambie uko kwa shida, tuone kama anaweza kuokolea.
Sawa.
Kuna confidence.
Najua ataniokolea. Nitapigia one of them.
One of
them na date. Huyo mtu wangu. Acha nijaribu.
Nairobi wewe.
Sijui kama atatuma though. But najua atatuma.
Sida utataka kutumia, why not?
Let me try.
Your call will be connected shortly. You have
Iko sawa.
God have mercy upon us.
Hello.
Hello, baby.
Hi baby, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I wanted to tell you that I'm in a bad situation. I need some money.
What happened?
I kind of hit my foot. I hurt my foot, my ankle.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry about that. Where are you right now?
I'm at the hospital, Kenyatta. I need
Yes,
like
hospital.
I need like 25k.
Okay, I'm here at Upper Hill. Can I come and pick you up?
No, just send me the money. I go to the hospital. I just send me the
No,
send
no,
me the
no.
money.
Babe, let me come over.
Hey,
Okay?
don't come.
I'll be there. I'll be there in a few. Let me come
Okay,
over.
send
and
the
check you.
money before you come.
Why do you want the money? You're not okay. I should come and check you up.
I'm in the hospital, so I need to pay to be treated.
Yes. Okay. Do this. I'll be there in a short while. Don't you worry. Let me call my friend. He's the doctor there. He'll come and fix things up. Then I'll come and sort everything. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, babe. I'm coming.
If I tell him it was a prank, he won't ever believe me again.
Yeah.
So what do I do? He'll pay me for this. I'll just tell him I was joking. I wanted to see how he will react. Oh my god. I'm a con woman.
I'm sorry for that though.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I said, okay, it's okay.
Anyway, thank you for your time.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Good luck. Yeah.